In this video, I'm going to show you how to change default web browser in Windows 11. So first of all, on your Windows laptop or desktop, just click on start icon and open settings. Just click on settings icon, and now here is the left side. Select apps icon, just apps, and as you can see here is open lots of options, but you need to select third one, default apps. Click on, and here showing all the apps on my laptop available. So currently I'm using Microsoft Edge as a default browser, so I'm going to switch to Chrome browser. So searching for Chrome, Google Chrome, and select this one. And as you can see, you can set default browser for file type, or you can select set default browser for all the file type. So for default one, click here set default, and as you can see, all the image changes to Google Chrome. So that way you can change default web browser for Windows laptop. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.